Welcome, 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 Desert Just Planning. If this is your first time here, I'm glad you found me and I found you. I hope that we can inspire each other through our creativity, and if you've been here before, then I'm super excited that you have come back to watch my video and set up with me. This is going to be for the final week of July in my home section of my Frankenplan, and so we are going to use Faith. I have 2 or 3 Faith sticker books and I've never touched them because I don't know how to faith plan, but I want to. So I'm going to use the stickers because I am participating in an HP Stash Challenge, which is over on Instagram, created by Creatively Lisa Marie, or hosted by. You just use the hashtag and you can put your design and layout as well. So I thought, you know what? I haven't used any of my face stickers. This one looks very bright, so let me do that. This is the home section of my planner. So this is where I take care of my home and my fur babies. And, well, I thought maybe this would be an inspiring way of laying it out. I do have to redate it because, again, this is also a 2022, I believe, setup and planner, and so I want to see what I can do with it. Like, all these little clipboards would be cute at the top. So that's an option. And then I love the quotes. So, like, I thought maybe that would be cute to put in here. I get so confused with these hexagons, but again, with the quotes, that was silver, this is gold, this is silver. This is no foil, silver again. So see, there's a lot more quotes in here, and then it gets to this. And like, I even thought that if I don't use this for prayer, which is nothing wrong with that, I just don't know how to plan prayer. If you do, please leave me a comment, give me some motivation, apps, whatever, and I will put that to play. Because I even have I have a faith planner from Happy Planner that I got. And again, I could use that as stash. But if I don't, then I could use this as like the books the kids are reading currently for Riker's in 3rd grade and Raylan's in pre-K, so I could do that. And then again, we got some quotes, and there we have it. So we are probably going to be using the checklist. Let's just throw these down in here, and we're going to go catty with them. So get it done. We're going to put that one there. So if I always do a dark one like this, a black one, then I need to do a black one over here. And I will do that. Plan on it here. And then we'll have the top 5 that need to get done right there. And then we have as soon as possible. And then we have pray hard and to do. So we're going to do that. That's how we're going to do that. And then do not worry, pray about everything. And then, so I need to figure out what kind. I think I want a silver. Where's the silver hexagons? Or just regular? Let's do this. They have it to help you. So we got note. And then we got loving. And then we got the glory. Glory to God. And then we got pray. This is a lot of the same color. No, I'm not a fan of that right there. Let's do that. Y'all know once we do this, they don't like to go back down. All right, and then we're going to throw this one in there, right? No. We're going to put this, nope. See, that goes like that. All right, we ain't using that one. Oh, honestly, we ain't using this one either. Okay, these are not even. How do we get these to be even? Like, let's just... So we got this, right? Let's start off with this one. And then, yeah, we're redoing this whole section. And then we got this. And then we're going to do the green because it's loving. Or should we say note? And then we can go down with loving, which these are not even. See, this is why I can't do this stuff. Okay, let's try this again. By the way, these are two different sizes. And we're just going to go down and say loving, like that. And then we're going to go for trust him. Get this one up. And that's when we'll do joy. And then we'll do the pray. And then that's just how we're going to do that. And we're going to find a quote. And always be humble and kind. So this is us bringing in silver. Okay. Okay, that's us bringing in the silver. I think that's going to be it. This is great washi. I could have put it across the top, but then again, it's not going to fit. So there's that. I think that's cute in itself, just simple. It is going to be 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I think I have that. I can use it in the colorful one. And let's find something to go up on the top. It would be really nice if I could just find a silver washi, which I think I have one from Cloth and Paper, but I'm not sure if it's in my stash right here. So these are bolder colors. Let's see. I have a really skinny one that has crosses on it, and it's silver. No, it's gold. Can't use it. I'm looking. I'm going to use colorful numbers. So maybe I just do the plaid. Do not know where this came from. Looks like either a quick Amazon purchase or a Hobby Lobby. No, that's going to be a quick Amazon purchase. That tore too easy. And I'm just going to put it over the top. Like that. Just kind of put it at the bottom too, just kind of keep it kind of blended, I guess. Alright, and then we're going to go with 29. 30. 31. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's how I set that up. Hopefully that is good. That's what you do when you don't have white out. Washi, baby. All right, So here it is. I used Faith in my home section. Of course, I'll put my cleaning and my doggy to-dos. And then I use dates and holidays from the Happy Memory Keeping Happy Planner and Faith. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle, but hopefully you enjoyed watching me set up this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you come back and see how I set up the other sections of my planner. Alright, and I'll see you next time. Bye.